Among the 6 legal practitioners trying to join the judge bench, one of the would-be judges, Mathaba, says he's a shelter of values as a judge as they are in the Constitution, noting that despite the challenges in the judiciary, as an individual, working ethics should be above standards.
Still a human being, but with certain responsibilities which, if not well discharged, could reflect badly on the judiciary, as a result of which you always have to ensure that your conduct in public, even if it's not in public, you behave accordingly, remembering onerous responsibilities that have been that you are shouldering as a judicial officer. So I think really that's what that oath signifies. Put the Constitution before everything else, and be a person of high moral standing, and discharge your functions with the required competency and diligence. Maintain ethics, maintain integrity, and treat all people equally. I think really that's what is signified by that oath.
Mr. Matawathera noted that he can never be influenced by bribery offers and death threats from carrying out his duties.
I think it's generally the challenges of judiciary in the country. As far as I'm concerned, personally, I wouldn't find a challenge in adhering to that oath. I've been in difficult circumstances where I demonstrated integrity. If I were to make an example, so that you may understand what I'm saying, as far as I'm concerned, I don't see a challenge personally of upholding that oath. At some stage, I've had offers of bribery, so which I declined. At some stage, I was pursuing quite prominent individual in this country. I have pursued prominent individuals in this country without fear or favor, who never thought that they could be pursued for compliance with tax laws and taken them before courts of law. At some stage, I was offered around 350,000, which I declined. I reported to my supervisors. The person resorted to some other measures of sending people who were coming after me. I had to beef up security. That's what I'm saying. As far as I'm concerned, I have seen it. And I have been involved in quite high-profile cases where there was bribery, there was intimidation, but that didn't stop me from discharging my duties without fear or favor. And that's what I'm saying personally, as reality matter. I don't see anything that could hinder me from discharging my obligations or adhering to that oath, it being threats, intimidation, or any sort of inducement. And as I've just highlighted, with just one example, I could give you many. But as judiciary, people may feel that maybe security of tenure is not as entrenched as it should be, and may sometimes succumb to pressure in order to secure their jobs.
These are over the weekend weather updates according to Lesotho Meteorological Services.